So on my high pressure fuel pump, no start. What happened was, looks like this nut came loose, and that's what caused this probably to fall out or move out of the way. To get back there, it's on the driver's side. On the driver's side, it's buried real deep in there. You have to take off this. I believe it's a cooler of some sorts right here. Take off the filter. There's a boot right there for the intake. Take that off. Take off this exhaust right here. There's a few more things. You have to disconnect one of the intercooler hoses down here so it can become loose once you get to that point, and you're able to wiggle it out. I put a pry bar on the other side underneath, banged it a few times, it came out. It's just a matter of getting everything out of the way. It was about, I think I started at what, 10? It's 3 o'clock now, 3:30. So it takes a while. Anyway, I'll post more pictures, probably some more videos of more in depth, and yeah. Removing this one and this one. That's the pump.